going on, everybody? Welcome to Always Occupied Home and Product Reviews, and in this review we have Anker chargers, or chargers from Anker. Okay, and I got this from Costco. I still have my two 30-watt blocks. Was it two 30-watt blocks? I still have those. They're upstairs. But the cool thing about this one is you can actually charge your laptop with this 65-watt charger. 67-watt charger. So this is a 67-watt charger, and you could charge 3 devices at once, you guys. So you could charge your laptop, you could charge your headsets, and you can charge your phone. So this one I probably will be using like crazy. So this one I will have as a standby I'll plug it in and everybody can use it. But I'm mainly going to be using this one because you could charge 3 things at once and be good with it. So that is pretty awesome, you guys. So this little block right here, 67 watts of charging. Now I'm just going to go ahead, get into it so y'all can see what it looks like. If y'all need these like scissor cutter things, because y'all know these things are hard to open, that comes from Costco. Whether you go to Costco or Sam's Club, they always got these type of package things. So these scissor cutters are amazing. I did a review on these, but if you need these, just let me know. I'll send you a link. And all you have to do is just cut. Nice clean cut. And open. And then that's it. Nice and easy, you guys. And here we go, the 2 blocks. The outlets fold in and out, the prongs. All right, you guys. So the question is, why would you want these type of blocks? Why can't you just use a regular block? So this is not like going to Five Below and just buying a regular charger, you guys. All right. Five Below is like 5 watts. The Five Below blocks, they're like 5 watts, you guys. And nowadays your phone carries a lot of milliamps as far as your battery capacity. So 5 watts will take a little bit longer to make your battery full. So that's why here it says charge iPhones up to 3 times faster. So if you have a 30-watt block, it's different than having a 5-watt block. And the same as down here, when you have a 65 or 67-watt block, is basically different because 67 watts is enough power to charge your laptop. You cannot charge your laptop with this 30-watt block, you guys. So I just wanted to let y'all know that, just in case y'all don't know. All right, and back here I'm gonna show y'all all the cool stuff, just in case you need to see that. All right, don't know if you can see all the fine prints, but that's it. You will see this once you're in Costco. You can make your decision whether you want it or not. But I love fast chargers, you guys. I love this. And this is to replace the big old blocks from Apple that you get. And Anker make a lot of chargers. They actually have like 3 more other like charging things at Costco, but I'm not really interested in those ones. But this one's I'm satisfied with because they actually have an instant savings on these. So I bought these for like $20, you guys. I mean, you can't really beat that. Was it 20? It was like 20 or a little bit less than 20, but there you go. So USB and then USB Type-C, both USB Type-C. So that is awesome. So this block I will be using, and this block I will have as a standby. So that will be it. I just wanted to show y'all that. Have the brand on there, and that's it, you guys. If y'all have any other questions, comments, concerns, put it in the comment section and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.